What is going on, guys? Today is delivery day of these sweet exhaust parts by VelocityAP. Okay, so I know it doesn't look like a whole lot, but what this basically is, this is just a muffler delete kit. VelocityAP claims that this is going to make my car 66 pounds lighter, and it's going to sound a little better, a lot better actually. And it's also not going to have any drone in the cabin, which is great. There's tons of sound deadening in the Aston Martin, so I didn't think that was really much of a cause for concern anyway. But if you're considering putting this on your DBS, I know those cars are a little bit lighter. They might have a little bit more noise from inside the cabin, so maybe that'll be a concern. But either way, whatever you've got, Velocity claims that you're not going to have any drone inside the cabin with this kit, which is great. And just looking at this, the build quality is excellent. This is 304 stainless steel. Everything is bent just to spec. All of the curves in these pipes, they're all Mandrel bent. It even came with 2 new donut gaskets that are going to go to the car, as well as new hardware for everything. This kit gives you everything you need, which is awesome. All right, as fun as it is talking about them, I think we should go put them on the car now. I guess we gotta start it now. All right, so hold up. Before I actually show you guys what it sounds like, I just want to say this video is proudly sponsored by Graveyard Performance. Graveyard Performance is an automotive performance website. They sell all sorts of high performance parts for all sorts of high performance cars. You guys should definitely check them out if you're looking for some stuff. They're adding new inventory every day, so definitely check them out. Check the link in the description. So let's see, in the car, it's not too loud in the car. They were exactly correct, VelocityAP. There's no droning in the car, really. You know, if you're like really getting on it and accelerating, then you're gonna hear it over your stereo. But just regular highway cruising, there's no drone of any kind. It's not making some terrible sound the whole time that gives me like some weird migraine that goes all day, or nothing like that at all. It's honestly great. So if you guys want to get some great nice sound out of your Aston Martin DB9, DBS, and I think this also fits the Vantage cars, definitely recommend this kit. If you guys are looking for some good nice sound for your Aston Martin, I definitely recommend the VelocityAP GT4 exhaust kit. It's a great kit at an exceptionally good price, especially for the quality of the work that you get with the parts. And special thanks to Graveyard Performance for hooking me up. Really appreciate that as well.